and qualifying of Telescope. This is the MX2 Pro Lights category. Second board is up. And we have it. We have here Obo Gabriel, Ralph Ramento, David Malapo, Elsid Maningo. That's Obo Gabriel, followed by Ralph Ramento, Elsid Maningo on third, David Malapo on fourth, Terence Nabat on fifth, followed by Yellow Flag, Yellow Flag. That is still Obo Gabriel on the lead for the Pro Lights category, followed by Ralph Ramento. Then we have Elsid Maningo, followed by Terence Nabat, David Minervo, Siki Ramento, and David Malapo. This is scheduled for 10 minutes plus 2 laps. So looks like we have a battle of Luzon and Mindanao with our top 1 and top 2 from Luzon, 3 and 4 from Mindanao. We have Obo Gabriel on the lead, followed by Ralph Ramento, both from Luzon. Then we have Elsid Maningo and Terence Nabat from Mindanao. Coming in for the 5th position, we have David Minervo, followed by Siki Ramento on a bar-to-bar with David Malapo. The Pro Lights category is an adrenaline-filled race here today with Obo Gabriel leading, followed by Ralph Ramento. Once again, we have 10 minutes on the lead, plus 2 laps scheduled for our Pro Lights category. Still Obo Gabriel on the lead, followed by Ralph Ramento, pushing on right behind. It's Team Luzon versus Team Mindanao with Elsid Maningo on third, Terence Nabat on fourth, David Minervo coming in on fifth from Luzon. We also have here David Malapo, Siki Ramento, and JC Rillosa. As fast as they're pacing, we are still in with just less than 5 minutes. We just hit the 4-minute mark for our 10 minutes plus 2 laps racing in the Pro Lights category. We still have a long way to go with Obo Gabriel still leading, followed by Ralph Ramento, Elsid Maningo on third, and Terence Nabat on fourth, followed by David Minervo on fifth. defense with Aldo Gabriel and Ron Momento. Another battle of endurance and power with our top riders on the way for the Pro Lights category.
Di ba nasip lang? Ayun nga. Pero yung gulong eh, slide eh. Oo. Kaya pag-alig ka buka na yun.
We are halfway there. 5 minutes done and 5 minutes to go, plus another 2 laps. As I've said earlier, this will be another battle of endurance and adrenaline for the Pro Lights category. Still in, Aldo Gabriel leading the race. Ron Momento still on second. Elsie Baligo on third. Terrence Nabat on fourth. Coming in on fifth. On the battle for fifth, we have David Viterbo and David Margapo. Woohoo! Change in position. Grabe! It's just halfway and they're already giving us a show. Ron Momento taking over the first position from Aldo Gabriel. Once again, the Pro Lights category filled with fun, excitement, adrenaline, and pressure. Alcid Maligo on third. Terrence Nabat coming in on fourth. David Viterbo and David Margapo on fifth and sixth position. Grabe ang bakbakan from first lap or the first minute we have set for the Pro Lights category up to now. Still safe, no pushing back, no pulling back. Still maintaining the speed and paces. The Pro Lights riders, Ron Momento now leading. Aldo Gabriel on second. Elsie Baligo on third position. And we have Terrence Nabat on fourth. It's a three-way battle on the birds. Elsie Baligo, Aldo Gabriel. Now, yellow flag for Terrence Nabat. That was some heated battle right there. But we are still a long way to go for the finish. With Ron Momento leading the way. Elsie Baligo now on second. Aldo Gabriel on third. Watching on fourth position. Looks like we have still Terrence Nabat, followed by David Margapo, CK Momento, David Viterbo. 2 more minutes and additional 2 laps. We have 2 more to go and then another 2 extras.
10 minutes plus 2 laps.
Endurance yan.
Grabe, there's no ceiling with the pacing they give, the energy, the adrenaline and power. From the first minute and first lap, they're going with Ron Momento now leading, followed by Alcid Baligo. Then we have Aldo Gabriel, followed by Terrence Nabat, then David Margapo. It's like we have Rizal Mindanao versus Rizal and Mindanao. Once again, Ron Momento, Alcid Baligo. Then we have once again Aldo Gabriel, even on his ongoing comeback races for the season of 2024. Racing Pro riders from Isabela are going. Here we have it. For the white flag, coming in for the last lap of racing, we have driver number 15, Rob Pimento. Followed by, we have Alcid Malingo. Coming in on third on the comeback race, we have Otto Gabriel. Sa mga tao po, pa-clear po tayo, address tayo. Then we have on the last lap, on board, David Viterbo. David Viterbo and Sige Roberto. This is going to be some heated last lap for our pro riders. Napakainit na labanan. Surely this is worth the qualifying. And we are just in for the first hit. Checkered flag for Bond 15, Raul Pimento. Coming in on second from Koji San, Alcid Domingo. Coming in on third position, our comeback rider for 2024 season, it's Otto Gabriel on third. Terence Napat on fourth, and David Viterbo on fifth. Still bar to bar, we have David Viterbo and Sige Roberto onto the last corner, inside and outside, but still David Viterbo and Sige Roberto. Once again,